A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 7 on differentiation topic. Basically, it is based on derivative of inverse function. So let us begin lecture number 7 on differentiation. Next problem is find derivative of inverse function of the following. Y is equal to x square e raised to x at x equal to 1. Since y is equal to differentiating with respect to x, x square into derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x into derivative of x square. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x into 2x. Take x e raised to x common. Therefore, derivative of inverse function is equal to dx by dy, and dx by dy is what? 1 upon dy by dx, 1 upon x into x plus 2 into e raised to x. Therefore, dx by dy when x is 1 will be 1 into 1 plus 2 into e raised to 1, 1 upon 3e. Next is y is equal to e raised to x plus 3x plus 2. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is what? E raised to x plus 3. Therefore, derivative of inverse function is equal to dx by dy, 1 upon therefore dx by dy is what? 1 upon e raised to x plus 3. So dx by dy when x is 0 1 upon 4. Sine of x minus 2 plus x square. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is what? Cos x minus 2 into derivative of x minus 2, which is 1 minus 0 plus 2x. Derivative of inverse function one upon dy by dx. So dx by dy is what? 1 upon cos x minus 2 so dx by dy when x is 2 cos 0 plus 2 into 2. One upon 5. Fx is x cube plus x minus 2. Differentiating with respect to x, we get f dash x is what? 3x square plus 1. Therefore, f inverse dash at 0 is 1 upon fx when x is 1. The reason is what? Fx is 0 implies 0 is equal to, this implies x has to be 1. So 1 upon when x is 1. Using derivative, prove that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2, x belongs to real number. Let fx is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 upon plus minus 1 upon first order derivative of f is 0. So this implies fx is a constant function. Let fx is equal to c a constant. Therefore, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is c for all x belongs to real number. Put x is equal to 1. Tan inverse 1 plus cot inverse 1 is equal to c pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So c is what? Pi by 2. Write this as equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Next similar type is what? Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is also pi by 2. Let fx is equal to sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of sec inverse is what? 1 upon x root plus derivative of cosec inverse x is what? Minus 1 upon x root so this implies first order derivative 0 implies fx is constant function. Let fx is equal to c. A constant for all x sin inverse x Sorry, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is what? Pi by 2. Put x is equal to 1. So sec inverse 1 plus is equal to c. Sec inverse 1 is what? 0. Cosec inverse 1 is what? Pi by 2. So c is what? Pi by 2. Therefore, equation 1 becomes 1 minute. This was c. Equation 1 becomes pi by 2. Next type is what? Differentiate the following with respect to x. Y is equal to tan inverse log x. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of tan inverse is what? 1 upon 1 plus log x square into derivative of log x. 1 upon 1 plus derivative of log x is 1 upon x. X into bracket 1 plus log x the whole square. Y is equal to cosec inverse e raised to minus x. One upon e raised to x, which is same as sine inverse e raised to x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is what? 1 upon root 1 minus e raised to x square into derivative of 1 minus e raised to 2x. So dy by dx is what? E raised to x upon root cot inverse x cube. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of cot inverse is what? Minus 1 upon x cube square into derivative of x cube. X raised to 6 into 3x square. 1 plus x raised to 6. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is what? Minus 1 upon 4 raised to x square into d by dx of 4 raised to x. Four raised to 2x. Derivative of 4 raised to x is what? 4 raised to x log 4. So next is y is equal to tan inverse root x. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is what? 1 upon 1 plus root x square into derivative of root x. 1 plus x, derivative of root x is what? Which is 1 upon 2 root x into bracket 1 plus x. Sine inverse root x square is equal to cos theta. So theta will be what? Cos inverse x square. So y will become sin inverse root 1 plus cos theta upon 2. Root 1 plus cos theta is what? 2 cos square theta by 2 upon 2. Cos theta by 2. Sin inverse cos can be written as sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Pi by 2 minus theta by 2, and theta is what? Cos inverse x. So finally this is y differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is what? 0 minus half. Derivative of cos inverse is what? Minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square into derivative of minus into minus plus 1 upon 2 root derivative of x square is what? 2x. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. X upon root 1 minus x raised to 4. Okay, so next is what? Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of cos inverse is what? Minus 1 upon a root of 1 minus 1 minus x square into derivative of 1 minus x square. One minus 2x square plus x raised to 4. Zero minus 2x will give you what? Minus into minus plus 2x upon plus 2x square minus 2x upon two x square minus x raised to 4. X root x will get cancelled. 2 upon root two minus x square. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of sine inverse is what? 1 minus x raised to 3 by 2 square into derivative of derivative of derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 is what? 3 by 2 x raised to half. X raised to half can be written as root x. The problem is like this. It is sine raised to 4 sine inverse root x. Can be written as sine of sine inverse root x raised to 4. So root x raised to 4. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is 2x. Differentiate following with respect to x. Y is cot inverse 1 upon cos phi raised to x. It is tan inverse 1 upon cos is sec. Sorry. It is cot inverse sec phi raised to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of cot inverse is what? Minus 1 upon 1 plus sec phi raised to x square into derivative of sec phi raised to x minus 1 upon 1 plus sec square phi raised to x. Derivative of sec is what? Sec 10. So sec raised to phi x into 10 raised to 10 of phi raised to x into derivative of phi raised to x, which is equal to minus sec phi raised to x 10 phi raised to x upon 1 plus sec square phi raised to x. Derivative of phi raised to x is what? Phi raised to x log phi is the answer. Cos inverse root 1 plus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel. Root will give you what? Cos x by 2. Cos inverse cos will get cancelled, get x by 2. Differentiating with respect to x. Y is what? Cos inverse root 1 minus cos. Y is cos inverse root 2 sin square x square by 2 upon 2. 2 will get cancelled. Cos inverse sin x square by 2. Sin can be written as cos pi by 2 minus 4 5. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is what? 0 minus 1 by 2 into derivative of x square is 2x minus x. Thank you very much. Today's quote is what? Anything is possible. You only have to try it. कहते हैं ना, आसमान में सवार होते हैं, तबीयत से एक पत्थर उछाल कर तो देखो यारों। वैसे ही एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, कोई भी चीज पॉसिबल है टू अचीव इट, उसको प्राप्त करना, प्रोवाइडेड यू टेक इनिशिएटिव, ट्राई इट, फर्स्ट स्टेप। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।